Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clean up your taskbar on Windows 11, step by step. First of all, right-click any empty space on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. On the taskbar items, go to the drop-down menu. Here you can select Hide. Then, you can toggle off Task View and Widgets. Minimize the settings and then click on the Start button. Here you can right-click on any app you don't use and select Unpin from Start to keep things organized. For example, solitaire and casual games. And from here you can also uninstall any unwanted apps. Finally, you can move your taskbar icons back to the left side if you prefer the classic Windows look. So we go back to the settings. We scroll down to taskbar behaviors. Expand it. On the taskbar alignment, go to the drop-down menu and select left. Then we can close the window. And that's how you can clean up your taskbar on Windows 11. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows and Linux tutorials. See you in the next video.